Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in this video, I will show you how to make a zip file in your Windows PC without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you create a new folder. So for that, go ahead and right click on your Windows environment. The next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you go ahead and create new. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on folder right here. Once you click on folder, you can name it whatever you want to name it. You can say new file, new zip file, just like so. Once you name the file, then you can drag any information you want to put in the file. So like for me, I'm going to drag this particular audio file right here. So if I open up the folder, you find out that we have a file right here. So you can drag as many as possible file into this folder. It can be JPEG, it can be audio, it can be video, it can be MX Word or whatever file format. Once you drag all the file you want to have in this folder, next thing you want to do is to see how we can compress it to zip file. For that, next thing you want to do is to select on the file folder, right click on it. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on compress to, then go ahead and click on zip file. And in a few seconds, you have your zip file right here. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.